Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And the news today, we have, of course, talk about the program that Google has, which is the rewards program that they have for finding security vulnerabilities. And the reward program that they have, of course, this is why our Google Chrome has security updates every week. That's why Android has security updates every month. A lot of these security flaws are actually discovered by security researchers. So people make a living of finding these flaws, and companies pay for that so that it keeps their software and devices safe. Microsoft has also this same type of reward program for flaws that are discovered in Windows and Office and all of its different products. So total rewards in 2025 is a jump from 11.8 million that they gave in 2024 to 660 security researchers. Well, 2025, Google has paid $17.1 million to 747 different security researchers for various security flaws that have been discovered. So this, of course, shows an increase in the number of people and security researchers working on finding flaws. It also shows an increase probably in the number of flaws that might be discovered. And security researchers typically get paid a amount that equals the severity of the flaw. So the more dangerous the flaw is, the more money you will get. And of course, for 0 days and flaws that are already exploited, you get paid the most, as these need to be fixed as soon as possible. So this is good to see that there are people working out there to try to keep us safe, and that companies are paying for these, giving rewards for these researchers that, will continue finding these flaws. And actually, there was an article, I believe, a few weeks ago saying that Google will be increasing the amounts of money they're paying for each flaw, which means that, they're serious on having as many people work on that, the research for, finding flaws so that everything stays safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.